sustainable and healthy way of living. My name is Flint, and welcome to my kitchen. This video is just basically letting you know that Winter 2022 series is basically what Winter 2021 was supposed to be. So what I'm doing now is basically trying to get you some general information to kind of help with the content I plan to show you in the future, which is how I've healed my thyroid disease. I don't know what else to say. I didn't cure anything. If I stop my current diet, I can easily slip right back into where I was with my diagnosis. So I was diagnosed with Graves' disease, hyperthyroidism, and that was definitely a traumatic thing that occurred into my life. I decided to move to upstate New York. I do have some family here, and things are a lot slower. I was able to better take care of my health. There's definitely more opportunity here for me, which it works. So for this series, I want to be able to just give you the things that I work with to get me where I am, but to get into more details. And these details I also need to know. Some of the things that I research, these are things that I hear about, and I'm just like, oh, I gotta add that to my regimen. And I never do the deep dive on the research. So we're pretty much learning somewhat at the same time. So I'm digging for you guys and trying to present it in the best way, and I hope it really resonates with you. Our health is so important, especially in this country, where if you did the research yourself, they will tell you that they're doing stuff, not only to our water, not only to our food, not only to our air. We're being affected, so you have to know how to counterbalance all of that. And we have to do that together. I'm learning just like hopefully you will be. But I'm just trying to make it easier on you by doing the deep dive, by doing the research. And even creating the content is even exciting, because it's something that I knew how to do many years ago. I'm old, the grays. But anyway, yeah. So many years ago, I learned how to do videography and editing in high school. And so to do it again with the technology that we have, this is super exciting for me. So I hope it resonates. If you have any comments, if you want to share anything, I'm starting a Facebook group that I hope people would be willing to join, so we can all talk about things together, because you cannot tell me that you don't know something that I don't know. Did I mean to say that? That you know something that I don't know. There we go. But so it would be good if we share those things, you know what I mean? I found out from someone else that dandelion root was high in nutrition, can change your life type of thing, you know what I mean? And there's so much like that out here. This is God's earth. Do you think he left us unprepared? No. We've just been told wrong. So let's just make it right. Let's work together, because this is so important. I haven't taken medication for my thyroid in 2018, 19, 20, 21, 4 years, over 4 years. I'm supposed to be on it for the rest of my life. There's people out here with cancer and all kinds of stuff, and it's like, if you just knew to change your diet, make a change, stick to it, be consistent, it could work. There's people with small problems. I had small problems, like little things on my face. Look at this. That's going to go away, and it's going to go away fast. You know what I'm saying? So it's just like all these different ways of healing your body, your mind, so that you can live better, so you can think better, so you can breathe better, so you can just have a life where it doesn't hurt. We can work together to do that. I can't do it by myself, but I'll do what I can to inform you. But if you can help me just by adding what you know, allow me to research a little bit more. This is about us healing. And I really, really hope that's important to you. So welcome to pharmFlint Winter Series 2022. And I hope to see you in the next episode.